Smoking, the facts. Introduction. The addictive ingredient in smoke is epinephrine.
Select true or false.
Correct. The addictive ingredient in cigarette smoke is nicotine. Carly is 16 and her dad has smoked as long as she can remember. Carly has never smoked and she doesn't plan to. Since she is a non-smoker, she is not at risk of getting cancer, breathing problems, or other smoking-related illnesses.
Select true or false.
Correct. Anyone nearby when a person is smoking breathes in the smoke that is exhaled from the smoker, as well as the smoke that comes from the cigarette, cigar, or pipe. Since Carly has breathed in her father's smoke all of her life, she is at a higher risk of developing smoke-related illnesses than someone in a smoke-free environment. Cancer can develop when certain chemicals interfere with the cell division process.
Select true or false.
Correct. 1/3 of deaths due to cancer are linked to smoking.
Select true or false.
Correct. Cigarette smoking is the #1 cause of 1. Arthritis, 2. Lung cancer in men and women in the United States.
Choose one of the following options.
Correct. Cigarette smoking, more than anything else, causes lung cancer. Smokers' lungs have little ability to clean themselves because the membranes are scarred.
Select true or false.
Correct. It is the very small hairs called cilia that get destroyed by smoke and therefore makes it more difficult for the lungs to clean themselves. Smoking causes cholesterol to deposit in blood vessels.
Select true or false.
Correct.
If a blood clot becomes dislodged and travels to the lungs, a person could become short of breath but not be in serious danger. Select true or false.
Correct. If a blood clot becomes dislodged and travels to the lungs, the person could die instantly. Pregnant women who smoke have the same chance of having a healthy baby as pregnant, non-smoking women.
Select true or false.
Correct. It is more difficult for women smokers to conceive a child than it is for non-smoking women. Women smokers who do get pregnant are at a higher risk of having the baby stillborn, premature, or born weighing much less than normal. Men who smoke are more likely to have trouble getting or keeping an erection than non-smoking men.
Select true or false.
Correct. Cholesterol deposits and blood clots in men's blood vessels, which are caused by smoking, can cause erection problems and impotence. Healthy blood vessels are essential in order to produce an erection. When blood flow to the penis decreases, erections may become very weak or even non-existent. Children whose mothers smoked while they were pregnant are more likely to develop a behavior disorder.
Select true or false.
Correct.
Thank you for using Explain.